Welcome, this is my channel Try to Understand. Now I will provide chapter with some question for joint IIT exam. So please like my videos, share in your friends and subscribe my channel to get my video at first. My topic is complex number part 3. Let us take a problem. If cos x plus 2 cos y plus 3 cos z equal to sin x plus 2 sin y plus 3 sin z equal to 0, then value of sin 3x plus 8 sin 3y plus 27 sin 3z is either sin x plus y plus z of 3 sin x plus y plus z 18 sin x plus y sin x. First pause my video and try to yourself. Let alpha equal to cos x plus I sin x, beta equal to cos y plus I sin y, gamma equal to cos z plus I sin z. Therefore, alpha plus 2 beta plus 3 gamma will be what? Cos x plus 2 cos y plus 3 cos z plus I into sin x plus 2 sin y plus 3 sin z. This value is what? This equal to is 0. So this will be 0. Therefore, alpha cube plus 2 beta cube minus plus 3 gamma cube minus 3 of alpha into 2 beta into 3 gamma, this will be what? This will be 0, as we have a result a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc will be what? Equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Okay, so from this alpha cube plus 8 beta cube plus 27 gamma cube, this equal to 18 alpha beta into gamma. So alpha cube means cos x plus I sin x whole cube plus 8. Beta means cos y plus I sin y whole cube. Gamma means cos z plus I sin z whole cube equal to 18 into cos x plus I sin x into cos y plus I sin y into cos z plus I sin z. Okay, from De Moivre's theorem, what is this? Is we know from De Moivre's theorem cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power n, when n is an integer, this value will be cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So here this will be cos 3x plus I sin 3x plus 18 cos 3y plus I sin 3y plus 27 cos 3z plus I sin 3z. Again we have a result cos of this product, this will be what? 18 cos of x plus y plus z plus I sin x plus y plus z. Okay, so if we write this in real and imaginary part, so this is real part and imaginary part will be what? Plus 27 sin 3z, this is equal to 18 cos of x plus y plus z plus I into 18 sine x plus y plus z. If we compare real and imaginary part, we will be what? Real part means cos 3x plus 18 cos 3y plus 27 cos 3z. This equal to 18 cos of x plus y plus z, and sin 3x plus 8 sin 3y plus 27 sin 3z. This equal to 18 sin of x plus y plus z. So our required result is sin. So our option C is correct. Let us take another problem. Sin pi by 3 plus half of sin 2 pi by 3 plus this infinity. This sum will be either 0, pi by 2, pi by 4. This. First watch my video and try to yourself. Suppose let S equal to sin pi by 3 plus half of sin 2 pi by 3 plus 1/3 sin 3 pi by 3 plus dot 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 infinity. Again C means cos of pi by 3 plus half of cos 2 pi by 3 plus 1/3 cos of 3 pi by 3 plus dot 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 infinity. Now C plus is this equal to what? Cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. If we arrange this for this structure, this will be half of cos 2 pi by 3 into sin 2 pi by 3 plus cos of 3 pi by 3 plus I sin 3 pi by 3 plus dot dot dot. This is what? We know e to the power I theta means cos theta plus I sin theta. So this will be e to the power I of pi by 3 plus half of e to the power I of 2 pi by 3 plus 1/3 of e to the power I 3 pi by 3 plus dot dot. This will be minus of log of minus I pi by 3, as log of 1 minus x equal to minus x square by 2 minus x cube by 3 dot dot dot. Okay. Again, if we break this, e to the power I theta means cos theta plus I theta means minus of I sin pi by 3. This equal to log of 1 minus half minus I root 3 by 2. So this will be minus of half of minus root 3 by 2. We know log of a complex number, this equal to log of mod z plus I of argument of z. Okay. Here this point lie in what fourth quadrant. So this value will be log of mod z. Mod z means square root of 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus I of argument of z. We know from my argument video what this will be theta minus theta, in second quadrant pi minus theta, and fourth quadrant minus of minus theta. Theta equal to tan inverse mod of b by a. Therefore this is fourth quadrant. This will be minus of tan inverse mod of b by a. B means root 3 by 2, a means minus, a means half. So this equal to minus of log of 1 plus minus I of tan inverse root 3. So this equal to minus of plus into tan inverse root 3 means pi by 3. If we compare real and imaginary part, So we get C equal to 0 and S equal to 5 by 3. So here S means sine equal to our result is 5 by 3. So our option D is correct. And here cos of this means C. This value will be what? Answer will be 0. Okay. Let us take another problem. Number of order pair AB of real numbers such that A plus IB whole to the power 2012 equal to A minus IB wholes is what? First pause my video and try to yourself. Please like my video, share in your friends and subscribe my channel. Let Z equal to A plus IB. Therefore, what is Z bar? Z bar will be A minus IB. So from this condition we can write this Z to the power 2012 equal to Z bar. If we take modulus both sides, this will be this. So that means mod Z to the power 2012 equal to mod Z. As we know, modulus of Z bar equal to mod Z. So mod Z to this equal to 0. This is there is mod Z equal to 0, or from this result we get mod Z equal to 1. So when mod Z equal to 0, this implies Z type is 0, 0. Okay. When mod Z equal to 1, so from this 1, from 1 we get Z to the power 2012, this is Z bar. If we multiply both sides by Z, this will be 2013 by Z into Z bar. This will be what? Mod Z square. Mod Z equal to 1, so this equal to 1. So Z to the power 2012 minus 1 equal to 0. So that means there are 2013 values of Z which satisfies this relation. So here is 2012 and here is 0. So total 2012 pair which satisfies this relation. Okay. Let us take another problem. If complex number Z minus 1 by Z plus 1 is purely imaginary, then what this condition? Please answer this question and please comment me. Again take another problem. If modulus of Z minus 4 by Z equal to 2, then maximum value of mod Z is what? First pause my video and try to yourself. So this can be written as Z minus 4 by Z plus 4 by Z. So this less than Z minus 4 by Z plus 4 by Z. As we have a result, modulus of Z1 plus Z2 always less equal to modulus of Z1 plus modulus of Z2. So mod Z less equal to this value is 2. So 2 plus modulus of 4Z. Let modulus of Z equal to R. So this becomes this. So R square minus 2R is equal to 4. If we add both sides 1, this will be this. So okay. So okay. So if we take this is greater than 0, so this must be what? This is less than 0. So from this R is greater than 1 minus root 5, and from this R is less than 1 plus root 5. So from these two relation we write as but r is always positive, so this is must be 0 less than 1 by root 5. Okay, again if we take here r minus 1 plus root 5 less equal to 0, that means this imply r less equal to 1 minus root 5. This is negative, and r is also this term less than this, so this case is not acceptable, as we know r always greater equal to 0. Okay, when we take this condition, when this is less than 0 or 1 minus is root 5 greater equal to 0, this condition is not acceptable, so our this condition is satisfied. So here maximum value of mod z what will be 1 plus root 5, so our option C is correct. Okay, let us take another problem. Let z and w be complex numbers such that z bar plus I of w bar equal to 0 and argument of z w equal to pi. Then argument of z will be either 5 by 4, 5 by 2, 3 5 by 4 or 5 pi by 4. So please answer this question and give this answer me by comment. Okay, please like my video, share in your friends and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.